Welcome. In today's video, you'll learn how to save someone's post on Instagram with the latest 2026 update. Whether you want to revisit a photo, video, or carousel post later, this quick guide will show you exactly how to do it in just a few taps. First, open the Instagram app on your phone and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on your home feed or profile, scroll until you find the post you'd like to save. This could be something inspiring, an outfit idea, a recipe, or even a travel photo you want to look at again later. Next, look at the top right corner of that post. You'll see 3 small dots. Go ahead and tap on them. A pop-up menu will appear with several options related to that post. From that list, find and tap on the option that says Save. When you tap it, the post will instantly be added to your saved post collection. That's it. You've now saved the post for easy access anytime you want. If you ever want to view your saved post, it's just as simple.